What do you want me to record? Oh, you.
Me saying the word.
And this battery is. Did I put the right battery in? It's flashing. Okay. What is the next UE word? You have clue. What is the next UE word?
Glue.
Glue. Okay, right. Glue for number 4. All right. Number 5. The UI word. Words. 2 UI words.
UI. Sail.
UI makes the ooh sound.
Suit.
Suit. Good job. Suit.
What next?
You. I know it's kind of hard because I have it in there. What's the next word that has UI?
UI. First.
No, look again. FR makes what sound?
Fruit. Fruit.
Okay, right, fruit.
On what?
Number 6. FR. FR. Take your time with your writing. Okay, we're still talking about the ooh sound. EW.
Okay, let me find.
New.
Yeah. Here.
Mm-hmm. Next word. And because they have the same sound, you know they rhyme, right? Flu. Good job. You like spelling? I like your writing. All right. Next ooh sound is OE, right?
Show.
Ooh. Ooh sound.
Shoe.
Yes, thank you. And then the next word will rhyme with shoe. Okay? So write shoe on number 9. Shoe.
Room shoe. What is that word?
Sound it out. There's a word in it that you know. No. Can. New.
Canoe shoe.
Mm-hmm.
What do I write here?
Shoe for number 9 and canoe for number 10. All right. You have to use the same words down here in these sentences. There's a word that rhymes, and then you have to write the other word. Dad has a funny suit. The pattern on it is made of fruit. Suit and fruit. Right. Write fruit right here. Ooh, that's a tongue twister.
Huh?
Fruit. F-R-U-I-T.
F-R-U-I-T.
I will give you a clue. This sticky stuff smells like. It rhymes with clue.
Sticky glue.
Good job.
Good.
Spin it again. What did it land on?
Peppa.
Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
All right. Where's your pig? Where's your pig card? Red. You have red.
No, it says to be deer.
It's there. Yay.
It's not finished.
It's not finished yet.
Cow.
Cow. Good job. Yay.
It's not finished.
It's not finished. Okay.
I can duck.
You have a duck. What does the duck say?
Quack. It goes deer.
It goes there. Yay.
It's not finished.
We're not finished, but we must clap, right? I hope you guys are clapping.
After a dog. After a dog.
Clap along with us.
It's not finished.
All right, it's not finished.
It's not finished.
All right, boss
And
lady.
a chicken. It's getting dark.
What's left?
After a horse.
The horse and the goat
Yeah, the goat.
and
The sheep.
the sheep.
The yeah. Goat.
Goat.
Yeah, goat. It goes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I put it in the wrong spot. Here's our barn. All right, so
I got one. I got one.
yay.
And I just
Very
took them
simple
off. Mama,
to
take
play.
them off.
You can play it a couple different ways. Farmyard, memory. Hence they are colored, so when it lands there, it would be
Yeah.
whoever has the yellow
It will fall off.
horse, not just horse in general. But for her, we sort of play the easy way.
But I see the sheep.
You see the sheep.
I see that
A
sheep.
simple game. But yeah, very quick,
Forty-two.
fun,
Ba,
and
ba, ba. She say
who
ba.
does not love a spinner? Little
That
kids
did
love
say
spinners.
ba.
You like the spinner, huh, Zai?
I like it.
You like it?
It's back again.
It's back again. Is this a fun game?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Funny.
Funny.
Mom, this is a clock.
It's a clock. Yes, it's like a clock.
Yeah, it's like a clock.
All right, guys.
'Cause it's
Say-
a clock.
Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. I wish